We'll make a key blank for Suzuki by to Tank CNC key cutting machine. Here we select Generate Key Type. Enter flat key blank. We'll search Suzuki over here. Their I-right word that means the key has right groove. Enter this option. There is a reminder that says we need Super Key Blank T. Click Continue. Select cutting for the first time. And then install the Super Key Blank on the clamp depending on the guide picture. If it's ready, click Continue. And next we have to change another side. If it's ready, please click Continue. It's a perfect key blank.